Let's move on to fact or an opinion. First, we need to know, what are facts and opinions? Facts are statements that are true and can be proven. For example, there are 50 United States. You could prove this by looking at a map and counting up the states, or looking in a history book. Opinions, on the other hand, are feelings or thoughts that can be different for everyone. For example, Rocky Road is the best kind of ice cream ever. This could be different if you ask a different person, so they might say vanilla, or strawberry, or chocolate. Things to keep in mind when you're trying to determine if a statement is a fact or an opinion. If a statement is a fact, it will be true and you'll be able to prove it. And clues you can look for are numbers and statistics. So if a statement has any numbers in it, or if it's a statistic, then it's probably going to be a fact. If a statement is an opinion, it will have to do with a feeling, and you will not necessarily be able to prove it right or wrong. Clue words are I feel, I think, best, and worst. Let's go ahead and look at an example, and keep in mind these clues. Jamaica's population in the year 2010 is 2,825,928 people. So we looked at our clues, and if you look back at them, if it has numbers or statistics in it, it's probably a fact. So in this instance, this sentence is going to be a fact. Let's look at another example. Chile con carne is the best Mexican dish ever made. If you think back to our clue words, we have the word best here. We're looking at the word best. This is a clue that this statement is not going to be a fact, it's an opinion. So this is pretty simple, so let's take a quick mini quiz and see how you could do. Remember, the left side is what you think the answer is, and the right side is the correct answer once we give it to you. Question 1. The United States is the best country in the world. Is this a fact or an opinion? This is an opinion. Number 2. The official language of Ghana is English. Is this a fact or an opinion? The correct answer is fact. Question 3. Bologna is awful and disgusting. Is this a fact or an opinion? This is an opinion. And question 4. McDonald's Big Mac cheeseburger tastes so good and it is absolutely delectable. Is this a fact or an opinion? It's an opinion. This is the end of our second mini quiz.